Good day friend, today learning we make international grading system as follow rule. ResearchGate website, total marks, grade and remarks. Remarks are no showing, only on percentage and grade showing in our Excel, Microsoft Excel user form using advanced VBA coding. Let's start our program. Please enter your marks that you obtain. Let's suppose we obtain marks 780, total marks 1000. Here our desire 2% percentage and grade. Press button calculate. We get percentage and grade, and once again we reset and enter 900, total marks 1000, and press button once again calculate. We obtain percentage and grade. Today we learning lesson, we learn VBA code how to get percentage and grade. So exit this program, and once again we start window and press Microsoft Excel. Start Microsoft Excel. After after starting program Microsoft Excel, we start coding and design our today grading system. Increase. Then we go to developer tab, or directly press Alt F11 for Visual Basic program user form. Insert user form, increase width and heights. To label enter, 2 label enter and 4 text box enter, 3 command box. Text box, this is our designing mode, and 3. Select all and go to font and press here 3 dots. Loading a next step, and font style bold, size 16 and OK. Once again select all labels and go to format, align left, increase size, height 30, and gain size increase. Same here applies, go to format and align and left, and height 30, align text. Same select and gain format and make size, Ctrl Z, format, horizontal spacing, now enter our text label 1, go to caption, please enter your marks that you obtain. Total marks, percentage, Great. Now press user form. Here change user form caption. International grading system calculation. Now change width and height button. Select all. First button change caption. Calculate. Calculator. You calculate. Calculator. Calculate. And next reset. And last change exit. Now we starting coding. First of all, press double click on exit button, unload me, and again go to user form 1 and reset. Unload me, press user form 1 dot show. Same two button are coding, reset and exit. Sorry, once again. Now our main coding is start here. Now press on calculate button. This is our main coding button. Here we start now. So please, so first of all we declare dim percentage as integer, dim grade as string. Two variable declare now. First of all, we coding percentage equal to text box 1 dot value divided by text box 2 dot value, and last multiply by 100, and text box 3 dot value equal to percentage. And now we run our program to check now code. Here we add 800 and press last 1000 and check calculate. It's mean our percentage is working. Once again add some coding. Percentage sign equal to sign, double quotes and percentage sign. Check now once again our program working is yes or no. 780, 780 and 1000, and press button calculate. Everything is okay and working. Now our grade section is ready for coding. So once again go to user interface coding VBA. Here we use select case, select case percentage and tab case 90 to 100, enter, and grade equal to double quote A plus. And now we same copy. So first of all we run run. Copy same case and paste again and again for more time. Next case we start. Now we enter our coding system as per our international laws. 80 to 89. 80 to 89 obtain A grade. A negative grade obtain 70 to 79. You can enter as per your school and institution grading system, because I'm following ResearchGate website code, so you can edit as per your or amend it as per your institution instructions. B positive, B only B, like B code can 60 and 64, 64, 60. Next grade C, C plus and C. 59 and 55. 50 and 54. Only C grade obtain 60, 50 and 54. Now I pause this tutorial and complete same desired grades. Now our coding complete now for only grades. Last we select text, assign values, text box 4 dot value equal to grade. Now we run our program Excel VBA coding 780 1000 and press calculate. Here we obtain our VBA code grade and percentage. Reset 1 gain 900 1000. Maybe some cases we have no 1000 case. Sorry, reset. Let's suppose we have 800 our total marks. So same working is here. Be positive. Our major program is working. Maybe in some case we have 450 total marks. So let's suppose one candidate has 350, 500 total marks. So calculate, and it is working absolutely without any errors. Reset and exit working. Once again we coding go to this workbook. Here we change textbook and change sign to activate. Here we press coding application dot visible equal to false and press user form 1 dot show. Now we save this application a file. Go to desktop. Here we write international grade system IGS and change file type Excel micro enable workbook. Here save. Now we go to our desktop IGS. Now we say open. First time open workbook because they ask us to enable international grading system calculation open. Here we once gain 300 total marks 500 and calculate. It's absolutely working. Reset. Once again enter 800 divided by 1000 and press calculate. In our next tutorial we here add remarks column. In next tutorial, in last maybe you learned something extra in our tutorial. Please like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and please provide your positive feedback in comment box. Thanks advance.